Let's fill out the Alaska ATV bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now, the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When selling an ATV in this state, here is what you need to know. First, all owners must sign the bill of sale, and the seller, or sellers, must also sign where indicated on the title. Make sure both the buyer's and the seller's printed names are included on the document. Next, you will want to give the original title to the buyer. This is an important step, so don't forget it. If there is a lien holder involved, they will need to sign the reassignment portion of the title to release their interest in the vehicle. If your ATV is less than 10 years old, you are required to certify the odometer reading, so be sure that information is accurate and included. Once everything is signed and the title is handed over, you and the buyer can feel confident the transfer is handled properly. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.